Welcome! Let's just dive right into this explainer because today we're unpacking an absolute phenomenon. It's taking over platforms like YouTube and TikTok like wildfire. We're going to look at the staggering metrics in the exact step-by-step workflow behind the wildly lucrative AI doodle animation niche. We'll see exactly how these captivating, hand-drawn style animations are generated literally from scratch. And we're not just looking at them, we are breaking down exactly how you can build your very own content engine, where AI does almost all the heavy lifting for you. Now, to really understand why this matters, let's anchor onto a massive number, 45 million. That right there represents the views that a single AI doodle video achieved on a channel that has quietly grown to nearly 20.4 million subscribers. Just think about that for a second. That massive level of viewership proves something absolutely essential about this format, and that's incredible viewer retention. People almost never skip these. They get pulled right into the story and they keep watching until the very end. And as we all know, in the world of online content, retention is everything. So, what does this all mean financially? Well, these contrasting estimates from our source really prove the immense, fully monetizable potential here. On one hand, we have an estimate from vidIQ suggesting this channel is pulling in a very respectable $22,500 every single month. But then, if we look at Social Blade's high-end estimate, it literally rockets up to an astonishing $142,000 a month. That scales out to roughly $1.8 million a year. Absolutely wild, right? Now, even if we recognize these are just estimates, the sheer scale of these numbers confirms that this niche has huge, highly profitable potential right now. The demand is there, the money is for sure there. But here's the fascinating part. While this niche is absolutely exploding, most people have absolutely no idea how it's actually done. They assume it takes massive teams of animators, but trust me, it doesn't.
Which brings us to part one, the secret AI workflow.
Before we get into the weeds, let's just take a quick bird's eye view of the simple four-step pipeline we're about to explore. First up, we generate our concepts and prompts using ChatGPT. Second, we create a base starting image using Google Flow. Third, we animate and loop that image right there in Google Flow. And finally, we combine the whole shebang using a basic editor like CapCut. It's really that simple. This pipeline brilliantly illustrates how AI seamlessly handles almost all of the creative heavy lifting, from the first spark of an idea all the way to the final render. All right, let's break it down. Step 1, generating ideas with ChatGPT. So this first crucial phase uses a highly specific prompting strategy. We aren't just going in and asking for some vague idea, we're commanding it to build our entire production blueprint. Just look at what a well-structured prompt yields here. ChatGPT doesn't just toss out a couple of concepts, it instantly generates 10 distinct, ready-to-use video ideas right out of the gate. But the real magic is in the details. For the idea you actually choose, it automatically generates the precise image prompts and the specific video animation prompts for a complete 4-scene sequence. You just pick your favorite idea, say idea number 1, and boom, instantly your creative prep work is 100% done.
Moving right along to step 2, creating your first scene.
Okay, so with our blueprint in hand from ChatGPT, we move our workflow over to Google Flow. Here, we're going to use those AI-generated prompts to start building our cinematic video sequence. And it all begins by establishing a single, high-quality base image. Now, the absolutely crucial point here is getting the exact parameters right in Google Flow to generate that initial image. It's like a recipe. You'll open a new project and select Image 9:6. Next, you want to set your aspect ratio to 1:1 to get that perfect square doodle look. Then select a specific AI model called Nano Banana 2. Finally, just paste the image prompt for scene 1 that ChatGPT already gave you and hit generate. Within seconds, you've got a starting image, and the quality already looks absolutely amazing.
Next up, step 3, animating the full sequence.
So we have our static image, but obviously we need motion. This is where things get really fun. We're turning that single static base image into a fluid cinematic video sequence. To animate, you just take that fresh image in Google Flow and simply click Animate. That makes it your starting frame. You'll choose video frames 9:16, keep your ratio at 1:1, but this time you need to select the Omni Flash model. Set the duration to 8 seconds, paste in that scene 1 video prompt from ChatGPT, and click Generate. Once it renders, bam, you have your very first animated scene. Now, I want you to notice a technique here that we call the action loop. When your video finishes rendering, you open it up, wait for it to reach the very last frame, and you click Save Frame. Seriously, do not skip this step. It is absolutely essential. By saving that final frame, you're using it as the literal starting point for your next scene. This means you don't have to generate a brand new base image from scratch every time. And that is exactly what ensures the visual transition between your scenes is completely seamless and smooth. Once you understand that loop, the momentum really picks up. For scene 2, you just hover over that newly saved frame and click Animate. You bounce right back to your ChatGPT document, grab the video prompt for scene 2, paste it into Flow, and hit Generate. And when it's done rendering, what do? You open it up, go to the very end, and save that final frame again. Then you just rinse and repeat the process for the third scene. It becomes second nature. You take that newest saved frame, click Animate, grab the scene 3 prompt, generate the video, and save that final frame. The AI is literally doing all the intricate animation work for you. You're essentially just copy-pasting the instructions and connecting the visual dots. Finally, we conclude the generation loop for our 4-scene sequence. You animate from the last saved frame, drop in the prompt for scene 4, and generate. And just like that, you have 4 distinct, beautifully animated scenes that flow visually from one right into the next. It's kind of like magic. And remember, if you want a longer story, you can always just ask ChatGPT to generate more scenes and keep this loop going for as long as you want. Which brings us to the last phase, step 4, final assembly. With the generative heavy lifting completely finished, assembling the final product is remarkably simple. It's really just about piecing the puzzle together. You absolutely don't need complex, expensive video editing suites for this. You just take your 4 completed video clips exported from Google Flow and drop them into a basic, user-friendly editor like CapCut. You line them up chronologically, and because we use that action loop technique where we save the final frames, well, the cuts between the clips are going to look incredibly natural. Now let's talk about the big picture, scaling your content empire. When you step back and look at the final output, the sheer speed of this workflow becomes super obvious. You've just created a high-retention asset in literally minutes, not days or weeks. To quote our source directly on reviewing the final cut, they said, "Smooth camera movement, clean animations, incredible details, and the craziest part, everything you're seeing was generated by AI in just a few minutes." That really hits a nail on the head, doesn't it? It brilliantly illustrates the true power of this method. You're achieving a level of speed and polish that simply wasn't accessible to independent creators even a year ago. And that leads us to the ultimate takeaway here, the scaling loop. Because this entire blueprint is totally repeatable, you never, ever have to hit a creative wall. You can just swap in different prompts, invent entirely new characters, experiment with radically different drawing styles, and tell unlimited stories. You could literally build a massive, monetizable content page around this niche without ever running out of ideas or, burning yourself out on all that tedious animation labor. We've just seen how a single channel can leverage this exact AI doodle strategy into tens of millions of views and massive, massive potential revenue. The barrier to entry has completely vanished. The tools are ready, and the workflow is proven. So I want to leave you with this question to think about. With unlimited characters and stories practically at your fingertips, what will your AI niche be?